Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. On today's comedy video reaction is a very big one. Stay tuned and watch till the end. Subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon. Make sure you like please, and share the video to all your social media platforms. Share it to your loved ones. Without further ado, let's dive into this comedy compilation video. Let's go.
No reason I'm one major attack him. I they used it to open my own open
Voila!
Babe, let's use him without protection now.
That's the way you talk. Repeat them again.
You said?
I don't like the feel of condom.
They
Come on,
play.
babe, let's use him without protection.
Auntie too old to do this.
You?
How? What do you mean?
You went from Akwa Ibom. No people say Akwa Ibom. Ekana.
Jesus.
When we say say una women, they born out of wedlock. Say if they born out of wedlock, they will buy. You know these things. Now they say let's do this thing without condom. What if I slide in there now and give you Belena? What will become of me? Or for your mind, are they important? Is that what you're thinking? You want me now to slide there and become a father? One now one.
You
I
are
can't
joking.
how we can't get money now. I can't do traditional marriage. You can't dance. We know from my mind for traditional marriage day. I can't dance nation no be. Now what do you want? Me when they find money to use renew my house rent, what don't expire. If I need to go back to school, I never do anything. I can smell conspiracy.
A lot of conspiracy.
Something is fishy. No one that call me this morning say you want to come and see me. I say it's not like you. Now me they always call you. Now you they call me. So what thing they happen now? You just enter boat. Yeah, you never ask me money for boat. You reach here. You never say me sit down for parlor. You run inside here. I put it to you that you're already pregnant. You just want Thank God for the book of Brotherhood, chapter 24, section 2, which says that draw job before getting a act before you chop. What could I have done? I mean, can't they go from here?
Fine.
Let the lights go off now.
If I under there, man, serious, come up for here.
Ifeanyi does not waste time. Once you start argument, Ifeanyi do his job instantly. Let's see this one from Percy Baby.
Aliko, what you say carry come Lagos?
Me also me say since that time my priority there, so you come bless me do the waste for village. Now why my uncle your pa give me your house address, me your call they stay with you first. Me for you also till I'm able to buy my own house in Lagos.
Let's have it.
Oh yeah, no wala. You know see you na my cousin brother. Yes. So anything for you. Feel free.
Thank you very much. Brother, see the way you ask your defense. He bless on the pack am for you.
You know they pack am for here. And they want to do our packaging. Now wherever you're soft like this.
Even your light safe. I will go for village no get this kind of light for yours.
Oh, this light. I ordered them from Noso Electric. They this on all type of interior lights.
I'll be like. So that your house where they be for village. Now there you see bare light from.
Sure, I got that from Noso Electric.
Yo sharp.
Babe, the food is ready.
Don't worry, I'll meet you upstairs.
Alright.
Let's watch this video.
Come here, I go show you your room.
Head boy on the move. What is it?
I'm my baby that now.
Sharp.
Continue.
You know, say nothing did this life. As our two 1 year they stay together, so when our 2 year gather, they share your baby.
I don't understand. Muga they share my baby. So I want help.
You know me.
We sure you say no me. They crazy.
Oh yeah, they go village. I know if you put it for us again. Voila. Never reach like that, man.
No come on for here.
Someone's even trying to help you and talking sharing. Let's see this one from Ebelebe Otupanchaye.
Young man, thank you for donating your kidney and saving that woman's life. But come to think of it, you are not related to that woman. Why will you do such a thing?
Doctor.
So, if you collect this one, anytime when you need something on credits, when you no get money, if you come, I will give you money.
Okay, that's why I need something on credits. Make I come.
Come.
The woman is so good to
God bless you.
Okay.
My brother, you really want him.
You will what am?
Yes.
Doctor, if that woman need liver, call me, I go give her. Because if that woman die, me, I don't die.
No be lie. In children, I be you now.
I go collect
Gary drink. Now.
After all the tearing of your body, bringing out kidney to donate, na gare, you won't go carry.
It is with great joy that I
This is
want to
short
announce to
in
you
2024.
that as of today, our project is complete 100%. The building of our church lounge and club is finally complete.
Wait, is it only lounge and only club for praises, Abi?
So therefore, as you come to church in the morning, in the afternoon, you take your children to the church school. Then at night, instead of taking our money outside, you bring it to the church lounge and club. Everybody celebrate.
Pastor, when I go see you for club today, for church club, now you go know how they day. Pastor, when I see you for church lounge today, what I do for you?
And I will surprise you with some foreign strippers.
This is unbelievable. I have to silence the voice. Yes, silence the voice. Please, guys, you have to pardon me for silencing this voice. We're actually trying to, avoid some copyright claim. If they claim your content, like there's no way content will be visible to some territory.
Is there anybody here with any reason as to why this marriage should not hold today? Please, if you have any objection, talk now or forever hold your peace.
Sir, there's no, but let's just move.
Please.
Excuse me, Pastor.
Oh, sure, you don't happy now, Abi. No, you're happy now. No, there's anything wrong about it.
Like, you just said the friends you see. I beg give me key, you lock me for outside. You can't wear the way you concept. See the bride here.
Huh?
That's it.
Look at my face.
This is shocking.
Okay, since there's no objection, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
The man's already scared. He thought maybe his side chick came to spread the wedding, like to spoil everything. Silence, please. So, guys, you won't believe what happened at the end of this comedy. What are you guys expecting from this Mr. Stingy guy? Me, I already knew what would have happened before watching the video, because so long this guy is concerned, in this case, no, expect anything. So let's see. I think this wedding is done because of gifts. What's that? Your mates are coming with good gifts, are coming with rubbish, yeah? I know you can't wait for the ending, no. Car! This guy don't blow. And he was so scared to spend on the wedding, but willing and eager to collect gifts. What kind of business?
And all road leads to Millennium Grand Heights Event Center for the reception. So let's go there now. There's a lot to eat and drink. In fact, the bride and groom are already there. Let's go together.
We don't need to for yeah.
Yeah, guys, enjoy. But wait, I'm kind of confused. Very confused.
My brother, how they be now? Papa, how they want couple be this now?
I think talk now before. Don't mean like saying me for the talk.
Wait. The reason why we book this all today.
Now the location we go.
Papa, which kind of now come my guy?
No, me guys do videos.
See for that side, sir. Now go meet her. Which kind of be this one now?
Oh yeah now. Okay, it's okay now. We don't spoil my dad.
I found my bro, wetin dey sup now? Shey na we pay for this one for reception today? Why another couple wan come dey take your place for your wedding now? Wetin dey sup?
We will start fight for you. No, relax.
Wetin dey sup now?
Actually, I not pay for the whole. I just set my wedding so that it go fit collect their own. May I fit use their reception. With the situation of the country, now what I fit think of. I bet sit down. They don't say they don't serve you.
Hey, me man taste this cake now.
I beg, I need a cutlery.
What was it looking for, like 9 cutlass?
Excuse me. What can I offer you?
E be like say for your house una no get home training, abi? They say ladies before gentlemen. Go and ask that girl what she wants, before you come ask me.
But sir, I'm sorry. She made orders from us a few hours ago. I don't think she need anything.
Stop the worry for your head. I say go there and tell her that she should make more order. Bills on me, My name is Don Papi. The only man wey start Yahoo for money. Catch out in first 1 billion for night. No be naira. Wait. Fast!
Papi on the building. It will be red for you now.
Tell that OS, make him no come again,
Sir, she have requested for some drinks. What about you? What do you want?
Just get me bottled water with 1 glass cup.
All right.
Make it fast.
The fun big man.
I pour you
when they go red.
pour spit for your face. You know understand?
Hello, sir, you can have it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are here already?
Yes, sir. Our bill is 550,000.
Hey!
I'm sorry, and yours is 1.5.
What did she order? Now human being.
She ordered 4 bottles of champagne. How do you want to pay, sir?
Okay, it's nothing. Now new fish. Just
4 bottles.
we account number. I will pay.
How did she finish it?
Eh,
Don't be about to where they eventually put you for trouble.
All right, sir, you can have it.
I don't send you 560,000. Keep
right.
the 10,000 for yourself.
Oh, thank you, sir.
It's nothing.
I really appreciate it.
Papi phone, don't be nickname. But you're drinking water now. How come? Now bought something nice for yourself.
Hello, pretty. It's like you are going upstairs already. I'm me to a lodge here at the room 119. If you don't mind, let me have your number so that when I come up, I will invite you to my room.
Okay, Alabama, let me have your phone. Before I forget, thank you for the drink.
Guys, stop now. Why you gonna talk for the girl? This guy they talk to girl, you the answer for her. What's your problem? If I say this drink don't enter your eye.
No be me talk.
Stop that, away. Baby guy, say, may you give me your number so that when I come up, woman will talk.
Guy, why you do like this? You bring that phone, take him back.
Fine girl, stop now. Give me your number voice, I beg. Put your number.
No fear, now my real voice be this. Alabama, nice meeting you.
Hey!
No worry, you can go, You can go.
Knock my room when you come up. 2001. I did for you, my G.
I beg, I'm very, very depressed. I don't know what that one girl go feed me with doggy.
What is that one saying? Doggy, you are depressed and looking for what?
Let's be guided. You don't understand. Nobody really gets. Everybody they package.
Shopofo! Oh, young man, how are you doing?
My boss says you are my mentor online. They worship you.
Oh, normally, you see, I'm trading Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is about to hit $250,000 because it's a volatile market. You know what I'm saying right now? So, I'm coming.
My boss. Well, after they call, I don't see any Rolls Royce outside.
Oh, my Rolls Royce. I didn't bring my Rolls Royce because I wanted to see the way poor people live their life. So I came here to trade Bitcoin. I also trade bread and beans. I know every foreign. Yeah, I sent you $500,000 to trade Bitcoin. I sent your friend Jeffrey Benson also $250,000 to trade Bitcoin. I'll call you later.
Bros, you see that beans where you dey chop? You go pay me with what they owe me last 2 months ago. That 250 they owe me, you go pay me now.
I don't know what she's talking to you. You know how much I make per week?
Can never be true.
$50,000 per week. I'm not the person you're talking about, young woman.
Two was my son. You see them what they tell you since last 2 months ago. See they owe me 2005. Now he there with the big chain.
So mommy, now this man they owe you 2.5 since last 2 months.
I don't get money at all.
My friend, you know you worship me online, right? So the thing is, it's not that I don't have the money, but I have it in Bitcoin. So help me pay. She's
that Bitcoin will beat you, joint.
See, she's your mommy. Help me pay for that food.
I'll send the
Bitcoin online. Don't worry, I'll send the Bitcoin right. Don't worry. I'll send the Bitcoin right. Don't worry, I'll send the Bitcoin right. Hey, I don't know it's the last thing of the food.
You'll regret your life.
All right.
Why is Shopofo so fast?
Join
Like,
Yankee FX
come on,
Academy
Shopofo,
if you want to
come
learn how
closer.
to
Let me
trade
talk to you.
forex properly. No go learn for Shopofo. If not, you go cry.
Why are you so fast? Like, Shopofo run trade. Are you fake?
Babe, do you know what?
What?
Let me take you shopping.
For real?
Yeah.
A girl will just sit, eat belleful, call you, and you will mumuli go. She said you want to take you for shopping, and you mumuli go. You want to go for shopping because you want a fare free of charge. You will learn. You learn the hard way. Let's see how it goes. Like I used to say, music is being silent on this video because we are trying to avoid copyright claims. So you just have to get that and stop commenting. Let the music play. You know. So we're going to see how this Iwundu.
Who is making the payments?
I'm the one. So how much is everything?
3.5 million.
Is it? So baby, just take this downstairs. I'll join you.
Babe, thank you.
Okay, my love.
Can you give me eye with your love? If you done with me, no one can stop me.
Babe.
Yes, babe.
I can't find my ATM.
I took it to make payments.
He shock you.
At the boutique.
Why?
Let's go.
Don't sucking at it loud. All my money.
You should have told me now so that I know how I will order things. I wouldn't have ordered this kind of plenty things for myself now. Ah, this girl. Don't try this with me, oh. You'll pay.
My son, come. My pikin. I think now you then they come do baby.
Mama na me, I be baby.
Now your house they come so safe.
Did
You go fit pick money from me from the land of the dead.
Mama, even the living no fit leave me. Let the dead depend on my answer. Bring the D come.
Do baby, no carry my transaction play oh.
Mama, listen to me. My answer active like a shower when start work newly. You know they use condom play. I know if you carry your work play, bring work on for baby, mama.
Okay. Oh yeah, give me your phone, make I put the person number so that you go carry your account number, send for her.
Mama, paste on here. Which country the person dey?
In the UK.
I don't send that for now. 10,000 pounds?
So you go send the money for me.
Mama. What you want carry 10,000 pounds do?
What do you IT? So what they try talk? Not tell me say you want chop my money. Oh.
Mama, listen to me. The street be like picking when man born for outside. In cry, Sabi paying the new wife. I rest my case on God.
We shall see.
Hey! Person tell say now money from the dead you want me to pick for him. They use and play.
You see that woman and be stand for you? That old woman. Bros, I beg you know where should they stay?
Okay. And they see her for that junction for front there. You get one touch house where they sell akara. Now there should they stay.
That house?
Yes.
Thank you. Mama!
Come on, mama. Come on, mama.
Mama! Mama! What happened to mama?
Now. Person where died since last year. Now today we carry and come back from mortuary.
Last year!
You don't feel bury him like that now.
But Odu baby is crazy, oh.
Before she enter ground.
You heard somebody said she want to pick money from the land of dead.
What did she do, people?
And you are toiling with her.
Just shift.
What are you trying to do?
Bros, you don't understand. If I come up for here, I no go survive. Ma just cuckoo day. Mama shift.
I don't dare advance. Oh, why yana? Okay, sorry yana. Chai,
Wale. Odu baby don't see me big pass and more. But he's so naive, very, very.
Chino! Sit down there. Chino, you have served me well. And I think I can trust you. That's why I want to give you 100 million naira.
100?
Thank you, Chief.
What?
But you have to marry my daughter.
Chief, who cannot be that now? Which time say make I marry your daughter? See, I rather get 100,000 naira from my account than to marry this your daughter.
Like, come on, man.
Yeah, I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face. Bros, you mean say this cannot be 30 million last?
Size 35 million last.
Okay, I'll come back.
After all this, you finally answer. You agreed after all this.
Right of the days of Adam.
You can't whine us with the watch.
To be his lovely companion. And it is with happiness today that I join you two in this holy matrimony.
I never see the money now. Calm down, I will send it.
And in pain to also grow. And in poverty to also grow. And in strivingness to also grow. You may now kiss the bride. I shall hope I don't love you.
Maybe they want this one.
Don't dribble Maradona.
This guy try. Most guys will not try this. They will not try it.
Hello, my love. No, I don't think I go spoil you this night. Now, money don't dey. I love you.
Hey! Chino. So you are cheating on me?
If now you no cheat on yourself. This thing touch me. This thing really pay me. And
why it can't be like Nasboi? I was like, what is it? What is changing in this guy's body? I never knew if
Man, I'm joining this community, my blood. Come on, call that crap.
Half asleep.
Hey yo, my niggas, how you all doing? Half an alarm. Come on, niggas. Come on, my niggas. Come on, man. We don't do that shit, Adi. Come on, put it. Come on, my nigga. Put it, man. Come on, yo, blood. Come on, bro. What are you all doing here?
I like your do, you know. Since you come back like this, you just they carry all the babe where they this area. I just like the way they do, the way they carry the babes. I just want to be like you, bro.
Bro, you know this UK shit. I'm enjoying this community, man. Look all that crap, my nigga. Baba, even that girl we carry for that suya joint. That guy, I won't cut leader babe for this community. Come on, man, yo. That girl got a big booty. Back in UK, I'm a gangster, my bro. We ain't scared of nobody, my nigga.
If this UK thing way they do here in a village, yo. Come on, carry go one strong native doctor. He go do a shit for you.
Okay. What's a dashi? Automobile now. Oh, automobile. Don't worry, my blood. Ain't no scared of nobody. You feel me? But you know what? You're my Rigi, you're my blood. You nigga. You feel me? So let's go. All right. Come on, blood. Come on, blood.
This family no go abroad. Somebody that will really go to abroad. Is this how they dress?
Come on, man. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't want to die. Come on, I want to go home, my bro. Come on.
Now strongest native doctor be this for the community. If you do this thing finish, gone.
Nothing.
Relax.
All right, bro. You say so, my nigga. You're all welcome to the great shrine of Surogede. I know why you are here. The gods have already shown me that a day like this will come. And there's no need for any further explanation. I know why you are here. You came so that Surogede will fortify you. Your wishes will be granted here and now. But are you ready for the fortification process? Yeah, Barber. Remember, a child who wants to learn the Surogede dance must remember that the dance of the spirit. Surogede, we're going to do more. Hey! Come on, Baba, you're talking about dance. Let's put this shit. Come on, man. Come on, man. Are you ready? Come on, man. Let's fuck this shit up, man. 1, 2, 3, hit it.
Oh, Surogede dance don't start.
Come on, Baba, put it here.
God
come on, man, I feel good. Jesus Christ. Do not be afraid. You are now fully fortified. No man born of a woman can ever destroy you.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
Not even gun, not even machete. Not anything can pierce your body from today henceforth.
Now when they pour spit for the eye now.
But now is the time to be tested and trusted.
Do you guys have mind to be tested like this? Hey, I know that guy will run, that UK guy. Well, it's from UK. I mean, it's from UK. My chest it all.
Power! Come on, this dude is still alive, my nigga.
God have mercy upon us.
Come on. Hey, Baba, hold on, please. Hold on, please. Come on, put it here. I know, my nigga, put it here. Come on, my man, he's still alive, bro. Come on, this shit is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, Baba, come on.
Upon all the proof,
I know what I'm doing.
you're still scared.
Baba, put it here. Put it here. Put it here.
Jesus! But all this proof should have made you
man, hold on, my
nigga.
I said, hold on.
The guy know you get trust.
I never go UK before. Leave all this one they do, please. Oh God. Oh, Jim.
But the God no enter them now. Now this one for make you come believe that this will work. You know, man, so wicked from UK.
Now I tread carefully every day. Yes, I did mind my business.
You had to rush and come here. What happened? Why are you crying?
My boyfriend cheated on me.
Your boyfriend cheated on you? Is it John?
No.
Jesus. Is it Daniel? Wait, is it Richard?
No, it's Calvin.
Shouldn't have a lot of boyfriends.
What's going on here?
Don't worry. Until they show you video evidence. Until they show you video evidence of where they give you.
I don't know what they are doing.
Where they give you, you don't go wise.
Everywhere, man.
But after now, wait. Those guys, these people.
My God, uncle. I greet you, sir. Sit down. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, my dear. Hey, uncle. This is the lady I want to marry. Oh, wow. You're welcome. Thank you, sir.
What's it with that?
Hello. How much do you charge for the night?
My short time is 50k.
Jesus.
Daybreak 80k.
Make I carry you for daybreak 50k now.
For 80.
For Opue.
I better shift one side. Won't give me bad market.
Uncle. Sorry, my dear. Old age. Let me quickly get you people something to drink. Oh boy.
Yes.
You know so that girl na street girl. You know they run background check. You know marry Ashawo. Uncle, I know about that girl past life, but uncle, that girl no go like that again. That girl don't change. She's a born again now. Are you sure? Very sure, uncle.
Good afternoon, sir. You sent for me.
What about my nephew?
I've not seen him around. Maybe you went out to get something.
Sit down.
Hope there is no problem.
Sit down.
Okay.
You love my nephew.
Let's have it.
Very much, sir.
You know, sir, I know what TV they do before.
God.
That was in the past.
You marry my nephew, but you know, say me and you get outstanding. I miss you then. I'm not missing you now.
So that was in the past. I'm a new creature now.
God have mercy upon us.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Are you sure?
Why are you using it to blackmail, or you are using it to tempt this girl?
Uncle, shall I tell you? You never get the kind test one never test this girl, and she dey pass all tests. Uncle, she's a new creature. Congratulations, my boy. Thank you, uncle. You have found a wife. I know say girls like this, they know they get stressed, they be the best wife material. You know why? Because they don't see life tire, they feel me, nothing they move them again. Congratulations.
Nagaru, so.
If you like, wear monkey suits, carry and go London. Banana go still disgrace am.
I swear, this is just an eye opener for everyone. Some people get married to a child and say they have changed.
Baby,
Change what?
I love you so much. And this Valentine's period, and I got something for you.
What's going on here?
No me can do speedies. No me can do CM baby dad.
It's an iPhone 15, a sealed one.
I don't want trouble.
What will he? See pressure.
Pressure, bro.
Babe, don't I beg, avoid me. Eh? Not be every two go see they do to other girls. You want me to do?
Oh.
I just want a 3-phone camera. Share your papa give me money, I keep for you, Abi.
I just want to train. I want to be on train.
Count me out for any two go lead to competition between me and your boy. I don't get money, oh. No, leave at May 4. You go cry now till December, you go see another phone. You know how many girls where they collect doggy now because they won't use his arm?
Babe, I want just 15 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max.
You know how much I'm coming, guys.
Okay. Consider it done. You can say that again. But before I buy for you, you will give me this ISR. Collect. How far more they go work?
Babe, I'm too big for this.
You're too big for this.
It's not my level.
It's not your level. Your level they shank. More they go. More they go. Fast. You go work that money.
But from today, they wash your back. Anywhere they go, they wash your back.
Papa, come now. Collect. All this thing, they walk now. Alpha! You need the rest.
Afternoon, sir.
No, the rest for you. Abi, you don't need the 60 moments again.
I need them.
Will you get off from there, carry that and go up fast?
You love me, I love you.
You want to buy 16 Pro Max, you don't want to love.
You say you love me, I not say prove love. I say I love you, you say make I prove my own. It makes sense.
I wonder.
When you have to know, like, say my proof.
How far, bro? You dey lost?
Shall I be like who they lost for you? I be just smoke.
I better go. Shaolin.
Wait till they worry this one. Who will be this one?
Chifu, I better no verse. I come late, eh?
Emma Binu.
Why you late?
Man, my mom, yeah? They call me. Oh, for 1 month I never hear from my mama.
1 month, no talk to your mama.
Yeah.
You just get us to say mama about too. Bro, if my mom call me 1 hour, I no pick.
I never see my pikin since. And as I do like this, my body they do me somehow. I never my pikin.
Lady, you go calm down, no. You dey hear me so.
I don't go calm down.
You go seriously calm down, no, because this pikin wey we dey find, no be small pikin, no. You dey hear me so.
I don't go calm down. My body they do me like this. Cool on.
Oh,
I no lost now.
Women.
Now why I dey always make sure say
yes,
my phone they always stay with me because my phone
is at home. On top table now you leave am.
Missing person.
Missing
Who asked you to forget your phone at home,
I'm feeling
man?
devastated.
Who asked you? You don't have to do that. When you know your mom can do anything, can go any length. To look for you, look at the book they are printed. Very full. They are ready to post it
C
everywhere.
resuming school after one holiday.
Lasisi again. You will laugh in
Sisi. You don't stand there how many minutes now, you sweat for boxers. It's not possible. It's not possible. What you are saying when you spend when you start for there, you never see and spend since. What you are saying when you spend when you start for there, you never see and spend since. Sisi, you go right to WAEC next year. What class are you in now? GSS2. What class are you in now? GSS2. So you also write junior WAEC. Sisi, me when be your mama, I am your mother. Spare mother. Sisi, spare mother. I can spell it. Sisi. For once, shame my enemies. Put my enemies to shame.
You said shame your enemies now.
You say wait. Oga. Put on the make and see what you do. It's not possible say you don't go to spare mother. It's not possible. Spare land, spare mother.
Go on.
You must learn a lesson.
Ije. You say waiting. The blood of Jesus. Ew.
Jesus!
Mother. It is actually mother. Mother by pronunciation.
I don't born dustbin. Sisi. Which mother you special? Your papa na army, abi? Your papa na army. Spare soldier. Since you are passing a soldier work you want to. Spare soldier. Drop and make and see what you spare. You say what?
S.O. Go on.
Jesus!
Soldier. You say what? Shena Apollo the one.
Pronounce it like soldier.
Soldier. Jesus. Salamba. I don't die. My enemy.
Soldier by pronunciation.
What did
You will not later add R.
What did that?
Lasisi is mad, I swear.
You say you want to be an idiot. No worry. Tomorrow we dey go Yaba. We dey go buy you clipper. Since you want to be a barber, we'll go. I don't born he good. Lasisi. I not kill my mama, I not kill my papa. These children will not kill me. It's Jesus. Oh yeah. Come in. It's where you dey come out to slippers. You know they go school again. We dey go Yaba. Go and buy clipper. Since na the work where you say you want to do. Spell number 4. Spell 4 for me.
If you can't spell 4, just enter this screen and blow you.
No! Drop on that. No, they still think spell. Spell 4 for me. What did that? What did that?
Like this guy is murdering the spelling.
You pull up my sack for. Enter house.
Yeah, you say you stay that time.
Yeah, boy. Olodo.
Where the incident they happen? The man where they say the man will die. So where they die?
For one hotel like that for Badore Ajana.
Okay. Now, so they go back to the courtroom. So all those talk where you talk, that first thing where you talk, that's not what you are going there to say. No, talk that kind of talk. Listen to me. If you say you were not there,
but I was there.
Listen to me. That's not what you are going there to say.
Argue with your lawyer.
I don't hear. Go there. First word when you talk, you say when the man texts you, you are about to move. You can't notice say they on your menstrual flow. You can't do that. You can't go out. Because in your menstrual flow, you will feel sick. You understand? Then from there, the God go want to say objection overruled that you stand up. Stand up. Hey, listen.
But you know this is lie.
You know they say that they lie for your
God
head.
have mercy upon us.
Is it true?
Don't you have more like this?
You don't do the work. If I don't do the work, when if they lost the case, are you going to that? You say I be bad man.
Okay. Let's do it like that.
You want to, in order for you to win a case, you definitely going to lie.
Break down. Go inside. Just enter there. You dey hear me?
I don't hear.
Now go bring case come. They go tell you I'm gonna lie. Now they do Christianity for inside where they tell the judge case. Somebody they judge for your head. You go judge for your head back. Lie for the first head, your mouth they shake. Then they lie for your head. You don't feel lie back.
So many of them are like this, involving Christianity in case. Meanwhile, they are not holy. Let's see Lord Lamba on this one.
Hello, Calvin.
Babe, this one you're calling me by my name. Is there anything wrong?
Actually, I'm calling to let you know that I just don't feel like this is working out. I think this is going to be the last conversation that we have. I've blocked you everywhere, so maybe we should just forget that this ever happened. Yeah, I wish you well.
Shy.
No, I've left you.
I beg, why not people wahala?
They have left you.
Hold up, nigga.
Bro, your girlfriend just stepped on me.
And what are you gonna do about it?
What thing be this?
No, I'm just playing, man. I'm just playing. Babe, let's apologize to him.
Okay.
Are they going to like?
Jesus!
Is that the apology?
You dey threaten me? You dey play the show now every day, do.
Onyoko.
My phone. Hello? No. It's 295 Spring Street. Yeah. We'll be there in 2 hours. Okay, thank you. Come on, babe.
Hey, oh, Niger man.
Talk too much for the industry.
What is that?
What? You got a card? Hair and flowers? You got this for me?
No. Let me see that.
Oh, I want to see it.
Let me see it.
Oh, give it.
Let me see it. Still thinking about the last time. Let me know when you ditched your loser boyfriend. Can't wait to see you again.
No.
Who's the loser?
No, I didn't write that. I didn't write that.
You have another boyfriend?
No, babe, I never cheated on you. I didn't do this.
No, you can't play. You can only play innocent for so long. Take your card. Take your card. Take your card. Your flowers in your bear, and you guys can go.
Oh, listen.
No, don't touch me.
Yeah, I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
Leave.
Because if I not pour spit for your face today, tomorrow you go still pour me spit.
You know what, Lamba at work. You don't joke with a Nigerian guy over there. Small Igbo, small Igbo, you know. They have separated. Actually, they have separated. You stepped on somebody's toe. Instead of you to say sorry, you were claiming Oduga. Now, I don't pour spit for your eye. You cry. Let me tell you, the boyfriend is crying, the girlfriend is crying.
Before my husband comes back.
Yeah, I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
Bicycle?
I'm telling you.
Pull up. My bicycle first me reach here. This bicycle say, Madam, you no go vex. I get message from your husband, Oga.
Hey!
Oga don arrange trip to Dubai.
My husband.
Now from getting to me travels and all.
Are you serious?
He say 2 of una, you and him una go Dubai go enjoy Valentine. Make a read am for you, see am. He say you will be exploring the city of Doha in Qatar on the 12th to 18th of February. And he go talk say na the time for you and your boo, that's you and Oga, to go enjoy Valentine. Madam, you won't go enjoy Valentine, you don't tell me sis. Now wow. Now 7 days trip to Qatar for singles and couple. And guess what? Oga paid for couple. For single, na just 3.2 million naira. And for couple, that's you and Oga, na 6.3 million naira. Make I tell you, waiting this money cover. The money cover your flight to and fro. It cover Qatar visa. It cover 6 nights accommodation for 4-star hotel. Make I tell you more. The money cover your breakfast, airport transfer, and desert safari. Plenty. Many. I know if you mention and finish. Now, also they say make I can't deliver give you, madam. 3.2 million naira for singles. Couple 6.3 million naira. And guess what? 100,000 naira discount if you DM them, tell them say you they come from Motell.
Are you ready to go? Valentine is coming, though. Not in on your door.
Madam, now what I say? Make I can't deliver give you with this.
Get prepared, though. Somebody people go collect.
Now your brother be this, Abi.
Somebody girlfriend go collect with this Valentine. When they look me now true.
Yeah. What's going on here?
One ask you that Gabon Goshi.
Chief, you forgot your boxer in
Justina.
What?
Devil has been waiting for you since to fail.
Do you know her?
That is my babe, for God's sake.
Do you know her?
Yes, she's my best friend. So my husband, we are still going to Dubai for Valentine's.
Abio, I don't get.
My love.
Who are you?
Don't worry. I'll pay for the both of us. Me and you. We go together.
You and who? Please.
Women.
I'm going to spend my 7 days with Chief.
Jesus.
In Dubai.
Chief, I'll weigh your bag. I'll help you carry your bag.
Oga, Shebi I dey follow come Dubai.
Now.
Wetin I go Dubai?
Dubai. Waiting I go Dubai. Waiting I go Dubai. Everything I Dubai.
You enjoyed your meal, right?
You're the best cook in the whole world.
And that's inferior.
Bombastic side eye. Sharon is a girl now.
I know Sharon is a girl, of course, but who is she?
Baby, I don't know any Sharon now.
You know what? You don't want to talk, Abby. Just consider this relationship over. I'm breaking up.
Wait. Hold on. Calm down now. I swear to God, I've remembered. You know that my friend now, Benga.
Yes, I know Benga, so how...
His new girlfriend is Sharon. They were having issue and she texted me so that I can sort the issue out for them.
You are the one to settle them now, Abby. No problem. It's fine. Oh yeah, call Benga.
I should call Benga.
Call him. Let's know if Sharon is there so that I can talk to her and confirm that, oh, she's Benga's girlfriend, yo. Then I will not leave you.
Call him. Bro code will be activated. I trust that
The
guy.
customer you're trying to reach is not available.
Benga Nobody is not going.
Hey, not going, Abby. Don't worry. I have my phone here now. You can actually dial his number again. Call him.
Jesus!
She has forgotten.
Big dick baby.
Give me my phone. What was the meaning of all this?
Are you not going to give me your phone?
You know what? It's over between us. It's over. I'm not doing it.
What be this?
Women, when they know you've already content like this, they will just end it fast.
So that this is my boyfriend, Easy.
Yeah. Easy.
Yes, sir. I can't even believe I'm dating this your hot and sexy daughter.
Okay.
Just look at who my daughter is dating. Someone with dreads. Someone she's meant to be dreadful of.
What do you do for a living?
I am sure this boy doesn't have work.
So I'm self-employed.
You don't get work.
So what university did you attend?
This boy didn't attend any university. I am sure of that.
University is not really my thing. And you know that the educational system in this country is not good.
Okay.
You were a child, a party 247. That's what I mean.
They both talking their mind.
So where are you guys planning on going to now?
So I can know where my daughter is in case this ragamuffin looking boy tries to act funny. I'm a Basi. If you should do it, heaven will expect a visitor.
Actually, we are going to see one of our favorite movies. You know? You will carry your picking, go out. Like bad boy.
Okay, you both should be safe and drive very carefully, oh, yeah?
Please, this boy, don't try and knock my daughter out.
Yes, sir. The way I go knock this your picking, you go know why they call me the Nakanito.
Don't hurt her.
Okay.
Because if you hurt her, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will buy you.
I'm telling you. Look at my face.
Just kidding, eh? Just kidding, eh? You guys should have fun, eh?
I will actually buy you if you hurt her.
Well, baby, let's start going. Omo, I don't fear this man.
Leave it now. Yeah, okay, no problem. Eh? Nice having conversation with you, eh?
It was nice meeting you, sir. This is my worst moment in life.
I wish you see you another time.
I don't wish to see you again. In fact, I wish my daughter can break up with you so I don't get to see you again.
Okay, sir.
The reason I'm dating this boy that doesn't even have money is because you didn't hustle hard when your mates were hustling. If not, it's people like Dangote children I should have married.
We must learn a lesson.
You are following you. I don't understand these people. Yeah. Joyce, come.
Good day, sir. Yeah. So I'm sorry to bother you. So if you take a very good look at me, you see that I'm not a beggar.
Okay.
From head to toe.
Just a plea.
But sir, I need your help.
Who, please?
I was on my way to Lagos this morning for job interview when some hoodlums attacked me and collected all my money. As I talk to you now, sir, I don't even have transport to continue my journey to Lagos.
Voila.
Any amount you can help me with, sir, I will appreciate.
Man,
You don't get hurt.
things are hard.
Not true.
But have 20,000 naira with me. I don't know if you can manage it.
No problem.
20,000 naira is not managed.
No, it's okay.
God will bless you, sir.
Excuse me, hold on. Hello? Yeah, Tony. Do everything as possible to make sure that we sell this property. Anything they add to it, I'm ready to sell. You know, I have a lot of problems on my table right now that I need to solve. All right, I'm waiting. All right, thank you very much, Tony. All right.
Sir, this property you are talking about, I'm interested.
You did threaten me.
How much?
If only the man can know, or if only the man will know that this guy is a rich beggar, he would have sold the property to him. I swear.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't know you were there. Hey, I'm going to the office now to discuss properly with you. Say, okay. Before you enter the car with me, let me ask, what did the coach charge you with?
Mother, ma.
How
Koribe, mommy. I was framed. One frame me.
One frame me?
Benny, ma.
Say picture like Jenny. Anyways, we listen, we don't judge. Alright, so I'm going to get your details now. Excuse me. So you do?
Squeeze.
Now I see why. Oh, you told him to freeze you, to squeeze it. You said go to squeeze them.
What do you want? We are here to telephone the boss. Why let us start with the move? What do you mean? We are here to telephone the boss. What are we here for?
We are here to challenge funny girls.
Hey, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon.
No. You are supposed to go for the challenge now. You just steal the belt and move just like that. And these people now, they don't have. How are they going to be doing this challenge? There is no way they will continue with this challenge. There is no way they will continue with this challenge. No way. Like, this is the end of the challenge. With Funny Bros, the challenge has come to an end. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I also might tell and say you're sharp. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And also, don't forget to like my video. Turn on the post notification bell icon after you've subscribed. And also, share it to all your social media platforms. Share it to your loved ones so that they will laugh just as you are doing right now. Don't carry this laugh alone. Don't carry this fun alone. Digest it. Share it to people so that they can laugh as well, because it's coming. Valentine's coming. Valentine's coming. Alright guys, so what do you think about this comedy compilation video? Like, I really enjoyed it, though it's just the 48 minutes compilation video for you guys, but I really enjoyed it. I must confess, I really enjoyed it. So I know you guys enjoy it. So let me see your opinion, let me see your perception on this comedy compilation video. But before you do, just let me see it in the comment below. Why me? I'm here to like give some review, drawing your attention to those funny parts that you were not aware of. So right away, we're going straight to this as we go. Let's go. All right guys, you know, so many things they happen. So many things they happen. Like, there are so many people watching me right now that their mother don't joke with. Their mother does not joke with them. If they call you and you don't pick, they will keep calling you until you pick. So many of you are in that shoe. So many of you, like, if your mother do not see you or do not see you for just a second, she will just be troubled, thinking so many things. Many things will start running through her mind, as if she will be thinking they have kidnapped you. You are in trouble. You are this. You might be in this. You might be in that. So many of you are like that. You know, especially. But it's a good thing. It's a good thing our parents worried about us. But worrying too much about your children in this extent, like, I don't think it's actually good though, because it might cause more harm than good. Yes, no reason they talk about more harm than good. Yes, so like this video now, the parent, like, they made the boy even almost get trauma because of caring too much. Yeah, you know about this Funny Bros stuff. I was thinking Funny Bros is going to indulge in this challenge, but unfortunately Funny Bros made away with the bet and they couldn't get him, man, because of he ran into his roots. What I mean by roots, that is Funny Bros root. You know, when he started, this is how he acted his stuff. You know, this is how he does act his he normally acts his comedy. After doing bad thing, he will just jump into one bush like that and they'll play a song like you bang I'm not I'm not you bang. So I think that was what Funny Bros actually brought on screen for us to see. And I don't know where these people are actually going to get their bet from. Like, I don't know how they're going to get bets for the next match between somebody else. I think they should rematch this thing with Funny Bros, because Funny Bros needs to challenge. I want to see if Funny Bros is Bobby Freak. I want to know. Yes, I want to know. But I love that comedy. I think that's just a short clip. I think they are working on it with Funny Bros to shoot another match with him, and I think everyone will be interested to see that. Honestly, everyone will be interested to see that. So guys, what do you think about this particular comedy of this man here, Slim Black? It's actually an eye-opener. It's actually a form of advice, and it's also a comedy. Yes, it's a comedy. What Slim Black is telling every one of you that is watching is that, you know, ashawo na ashawo. No matter how it won't be, no matter how you can't say don't repent. Like me, I don't believe those saying when they say let's see change. There is no way monkey can be a new monkey. Like I'm a brown new monkey. I've changed. Old things have passed away. Now all things become new. No, there's no way. Even a monkey said that. Just give him a banana. He's actually going to show himself. He's actually going to reveal his monkey nature. Like, so that is how all these people when they run streets be. All these street girls, like commercial workers. You know what I mean? You know, some people will get married to them. Their friends will be advising them. this girl you get married to is a commercial worker. Oh. She will actually break your heart. She will actually show you pepper in the future. Oh. In the future time. Oh. Some of them will like argue, no, this girl is a good girl, this girl is a good girl. No, the girl even they go church, the girl don't repent. Oh no, I must get married. Hey. I'm not asking you, I'm not advising you yet to not to get married though. If you find yourself in that shoe, marry. Experience will show you pepper. You go cry, you go cry, you go cry. You see that video? Immediately she sees that money. Jungle spirit, streets enter in body. He left. You want to go change to street life, come. Some will say she don't see many things. No go dey freak am again. Any boy even told that you no go agree because don't tire am. Na lie, na lie. Once they see that money, they must do it because that money don't enter their body. So you know what I mean. So everyone out there should be wise and you know, be wise and sensible. And know what is good for you. Don't let anybody tell you, do what is right. And you know, so I think that comedy is one of the best in this compilation because do you know why? Because actually teaching us so many lessons, like actually advising us, you know, telling us so many things that we ought to learn, that we ought to know in this life, you know. That is for that, and I think we've come to the end of this comedy compilation. And if I forget to, you know, analyze any other comedy, you know, you can analyze it in the comments below. Just say anyone that treats you the most in the comment below. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this compilation, and I think we're gonna see you guys in our next compilation video. Expect more banger from us. Have a wonderful time. I'm rolling out. Peace out.